During the Vayu Shakti 2026, Indian Air Force's Akash surface-to-air missile system successfully intercepted and destroyed a maneuvering target drone, demonstrating high engagement accuracy and reaffirming its capability to counter agile aerial threats under operational conditions. During Vayu Shakti 2026, Indian Air Force's Prachand light combat helicopter demonstrated exceptional strike precision by accurately engaging and neutralizing ground-based targets. Indian Air Force's Rafale fighter jet fired a MICA air-to-air missile, successfully striking a highly maneuverable target drone with exceptional accuracy. The Indian Air Force's SPYDER surface-to-air missile system successfully neutralized a highly maneuverable target drone, demonstrating exceptional accuracy and operational effectiveness in the Vayu Shakti 2026. Indian Air Force's Apache helicopters fired AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, precisely obliterating ground-based targets in a stunning display of firepower accuracy and skilled execution. The Indian Army has upgraded 96 T-72 tanks with advanced thermal imaging fire control systems developed by Alpha Design Technologies in collaboration with Israel's Elbit Systems, enhancing night fighting capability and first-round hit accuracy. Bangalore-based Vayuvya Defence has announced that its 500-Newton thrust-class Vayu 500 micro-turbojet engine is now ready for integration into unmanned aerial vehicles, with deliveries expected from mid-April. Poland's ambassador to India has said that India has placed additional orders for Polish origin WARMATE loitering munitions and tactical surveillance drone. Following Israel's offer of the 100-kilowatt iron beam directed air defence system to India, the DRDO has accelerated its indigenous 50-kilowatt laser weapon program that is expected to start trials in 2027 and will be ready for induction in 2030. While the Israeli system represents an operationally mature solution, however, the projected development and induction timeline of the indigenous system remains relatively lengthy. Israel has proposed artificial intelligence-based predictive maintenance solutions for the Indian Air Force to enhance operational readiness of platforms such as Tejas Mark 1A and Su-30. The system would integrate AI analytics into maintenance repair and overhaul hubs to predict faults early, reduce downtime, optimize spares management, and improve fleet availability, with potential future extension to platforms like the AMCA. The DRDO has successfully conducted 3 successive flight trials of the indigenous Very Short-Range Air Defence System. The trials revalidated the missile's capability to intercept and destroy high-speed aerial threats across varying speeds, ranges and altitudes under final deployment configuration. The Indian Army Aviation Corps is evaluating tilt-rotor aircraft as a future capability to enhance high-altitude mobility and special operations. The Indian Army is closely monitoring global tilt-rotor developments as part of long-term capability planning, viewing the technology for future mountain warfare requirements. The Tejas Mark II fighter jet program has entered pre-flight calibration stage, marking steady progress toward ground and flight testing. The pre-flight calibration phase includes validation of flight control laws, structural stress assessments, and comprehensive fuel system checks to ensure the digital flight control system performs correctly across the flight envelope, and that the airframe meets safety of flight requirements before high-energy ground trials. Around 70% of the Tejas Mark II prototype has already been assembled. Following rollout, the first flight is expected approximately 6 to 8 months later, provided all safety of flight parameters are cleared, with current timelines indicating a possible maiden flight by late 2026 or early 2027. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.